Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Tim Wire. Right now, I have Toyota Land Cruiser Prado of 2024. This vehicle has a problem with the lights, interior lights, the back lights, the front lights. All of those lights are not working, plus wipers. So today, I'm going to show you how to solve that. It's a 2024 Land Cruiser Prado, but it was involved in an accident. See, so stay tuned. So we are starting from inside. First, I want to put this vehicle on parking light. See at the dashboard, we have parking, then full, dim, full, dim, full. So let's go and confirm. See, there's not any parking, there's no full and dim. See, we don't have parking, full and dim. Then we have parking light at the back lights. So we have only parking lights on the back lights. So I'm going to show you the year of manufacture at the 2024. Have you seen? So it's a new brand. So I'm going back to show you the indicator and wipers. Let me go back. The ignition is on. The hazard. See, there's no any hazard on the dashboard. So in this vehicle there is an indication, but those things are not working. For example, in the dashboard we have full light, we have parking lights, but outside they are not working. So there is a problem with control module according to me. Another thing, let me pull the wipers. The wipers aren't working. So the problem is lights and wiper, but the rear wipers are working. See, the rear wipers are working, but the front wipers are not working. So this is the things we need to solve right now. So stay tuned. First, I'm going outside. You know, the first culprit is fuses. This is the fuse box. So I'm going to make sure all the fuses are okay. That is the first thing we need to do. It doesn't matter, but we need to make sure all the fuses are okay, because the first aspect is fuse, relay and control module. See, the fuses are okay, but according to me, I have three suspects. Let me finish with fuses. We need to make sure all the fuses are okay. The first thing is relay. Number two is P and I, which we normally call the power distribution box. So those are the main suspect: fuse, relay and power distribution box. But I want to start with fuse first. We still on fuses. All the fuses are okay. So I'm going to the second fuse box. So this vehicle has two fuse box. We are done with the first fuse box. This is the second fuse box. In this fuse box, we are going to make sure all the fuses are okay. But according to this fuse box, every fuse is okay. So the only suspect here is the relay and IM, or power distribution box. Let me show you the power distribution box I'm talking about. This is the power distribution box, and this is the first suspects. Because according to this vehicle, lights are not working, the wipers are not working, the hazard are not working. There is a lot of things which are not working, and that one can cause with this power distribution box. We're going to open that so that we confirm. The first one is physical check or smell. Before we proceed, we have a smell. See, there is two blown diodes. So automatic, this is the main culprit. The first diode, the second diode. So according to this vehicle, this is the main culprit. The power distribution box has a problem. I'm going to find a new gadget so that we can swap, but in the next video I'm going to show you how to repair that gadget. Repairing is 50-50, so it's not guarantee. So I'm going to find a new one. See, so this is the new one. I have found a new one. So here it is very easy. It's a plug and play. You don't need to program or to synchronize. It's a plug and play. But you need to make sure the ignition is off. That. I think right now we are done. This is the old one. So it's time for confirmation. So ignition is on. Let me start with the wiper. Wiper is working perfect. Even washer. See, high, low, low. After that we have hazard. The hazard, I think, are working perfect. See, full, dim, full, dim. Even we have parking light, but we are going to confirm. See, interior lights are working. So let me go and confirm. But the problem was this gadget. See, parking lights are working.
Fog light. Dim. Full. Hazard.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.